Hey guys, for those of you who experience something like this, which is pending, when downloading an application or game on an Android device. Okay guys, so don't panic first, then slam your cell phone, and end up crying. Isn't it funny, guys? Okay, so the solution is, we go to the settings menu on our cell phone. And we select the application manager. Next we look for the Playstore application. And then we just click, then we force stop first. Then select the clear cache menu. After that, let's just try it. We use it to download an application or game. On certain phones, sometimes this just works. But if it's still not running, the download process, we're back in the settings again. And we choose to delete data. You don't need to panic. This doesn't mean your important data will be lost. It will only delete your browsing history on the Play Store. And then we immediately try to download the application again. Hopefully this way everything has worked. But if it still doesn't work, the last step you can do is update your cell phone software to the latest version, like this.